What's up, y'all? It's your girl Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another slay. So today we're going to be doing another look to match a outfit. I'm gonna have the Fashion Nova haul coming soon, but I decided to kind of like do different looks with the outfits that I've gotten. So I thought that that would be a pretty cool thing to do rather than just doing just a try on haul. Like, I thought I'd just pair some fun looks with the outfits. Now, today for this slay, we're gonna be doing this pretty pink. Now, you don't have to go that dramatic. Like, normally on a normal day, like if I was wearing this kind of outfit, then I would, you know, probably just wear no makeup or just minimal, but I thought that this would be cute. So stay tuned for the Fashion Nova video, that way you can see the full outfit. But here's a little sneak peek. So this is the look today that we're going to be doing. It's a pretty soft pink eye to go with the cute jacket that we have on, and the jacket has some gray in it, so I just decided to pair do like some gray makeup with gray eyeshadow and gray lips. So let me know what y'all think. Here is the look. I will get up closer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for the Fashion Nova haul that I got coming. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, help me get to 2K. And I appreciate you guys like always. And I will see you in my next one. So today we're gonna do like, I'm gonna go for like a grayish pinkish, like a gray smoky eye with maybe a pink lid, like a soft pink lid though. So I'm gonna go in with my Revolution X Alexis Stone. This is the Instinct palette, and Alexis has so many different colors. This is a pretty palette, so I'm going to be going in between this palette, and I'm not sure which pink I'm going to use yet, so I might jump to a different palette. But look at all those pretty grays. So I'm thinking I'm going to use the darkest gray. Now in this palette there are no names for the color, so I'm just going to dip into that gray. And then let's start on this side, I guess. And I'm just gonna pop this in the crease. I'm just taking that gray. I've never done gray either before, so this should be interesting. So now that I have that gray built up, I think I'm going to go into the next darkest color. I'll go this way in the palette, which is this. It's almost like a dark gray but a black. And I'm not going to use too much of that. I'm just going to kind of build it up. So take your time. And then the goal, the key to this look is to have it look gray, not black. So my goal is to have that gray look. I don't want it to be like black, so I'm just gonna be, that's pretty simple what I did. I just basically used two colors so far. Hopefully this comes out cute, because I just hope it does. I'm gonna do one eye to see if I like it. If not, I think I'm gonna add a second color to that gray because it's just gray, you know. it's kind of looking black right now. So I'm gonna get my white base, and we're just gonna go in. So I'm just gonna cut my crease. And I think for what I'm thinking of doing, it's gonna look okay, but you know when you have that vision and then you're like, alright. I'm looking for a brush, y'all, and it's in my hand the whole time. Okay, so the soft pink color in the crayon case right here. We'll go back into that gray and kind of just buff it into that pink. And I might mix pinks, so I might go in with this light pink and the Alexis Stone palette. The thing about that is I don't want it to be too pink. So like the outfit is this real soft pink. So let me see if I can kind of bring something together.
Right, darker in the corner. And then
lighting keeps going in and out. Like this video is just not it. I'm gonna keep going. So I just need something to put up top. I'm gonna use that color from the crayon case. It's like beige color. And I'm gonna just take this up top. Kind of diffuse that gray out a little bit. And so it's not so harsh. Okay, so this is what it should look like. I think I want to add some jewels. Hopefully I don't mess it up by doing that, because it actually looks really good. So I'm going to add some jewels, and I'm going to just set the glue here. I'm going to just start setting the jewels down. So once you're done, it should look something like this. I didn't go all the way down, just about halfway. So I got my lashes on, so it should look like this. Now we're just gonna jump into the face real quick.
Now we're just going to go in with some concealer.
I'm just gonna contour a little bit. Like so. And then under that I'm gonna do gray. So what I'm gonna do is take lighter gray. And go right underneath.